breaking updates coming in. Kash Patel is a part of Trump's Cabinet 2.0 because Donald Trump has named Kash Patel as the FBI director. Big update, the US President-elect Donald Trump has named his loyalist Kash Patel the head of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. With this, Kash Patel becomes the second Indian American to be picked in the cabinet on the update that's coming in. Let's get you what Donald Trump has tweeted. These are the updates that have come in, and he has taken to social media to confirm the same. The president-elect Donald Trump nominating Kash Patel to serve as the FBI director. And here's what he has tweeted. I'm proud to announce that Kash Patel will serve as the next director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Kash is a brilliant lawyer, investigator, an America First fighter who has spent his career exposing corruption, defending justice, and protecting the American people. So, big words of praise coming in for Kash Patel. He goes on to say he played a pivotal role in uncovering the Russia hoax, standing as an advocate for truth, accountability, and the Constitution. Kash did an incredible job during my first term, where he served as the Chief of Staff of the Department of Defense, Deputy Director of National Intelligence, and Senior Director for Counterterrorism at the National Security Council. He has also tried over 60 jury trials. This FBI will end the growing crime epidemic in the United States. So it's a big job that has been given to Kash Patel. Donald Trump saying that the FBI will end the growing crime epidemic in America, dismantle the migrant criminal gangs, and stop the evil scourge of human and drug trafficking across the border. Kash will work under our great Attorney General, Pam Bondi, to bring back fidelity, bravery, and integrity to the FBI. So big words of praise coming in for the Indian American as the president-elect nominates him for the FBI director's post. On that note, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.